This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Walla Habiby. Come check out this amazing basement rancher featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a second living room or bonus room downstairs, and amazing quiet cul-de-sac. A large fenced yard, laundry room and another storage room is just few of the amazing features of the home. Brand new flooring in the living space. Call today for your private tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Walla Habiby at 865-584-4000.